Hello, people. Today we're going into unknown territory called GLSL material. I managed to modify the existing Phong material. It has a so-called vertex shader that is responsible on how an object looks like in space. It takes into account the position of the object, as well as the camera position and lights. My idea is to find the vertices and snap the onto a predefined grid in space. You can resize the predefined grid to your likes. That is me finding out how difficult it is. Usually there is tons of resources for GLSL, but TouchDesigner takes some more special things into account. To modify the foam material, you can click Output Shader. Make sure to apply everything beforehand, like textures. Otherwise, you'll have to add it from scratch. Open the code in an editor of your choice. The material can get attributes of your object. TDPos returns the vertex positions. From the docs, TDDeform will return the deformed P position in world space. I encourage to check out the docs for all TouchDesigner related functions. Vertex is everything 3D related. Pixel is everything texture related. Remember, the UV comes from the vertex into the pixel. Take your time to visualize each component. This Vec4 is a red color. Here we have the matrices that make up a 3D space. I only know them since I worked with 3.js in the past. It can be quite difficult to wrap your head around the conventions. If you look for specific shaders, it most likely exists in some 3.js discourse. It almost uses the same matrices attribute system. For my example, I made a Vec 2 parameter in the material. The bigger the grid, the higher the vertex resolution. You can see how the vertices snap into rectangles and triangles. Let's delete some unnecessary code. I only snap the XY coordinates from the model view position. MV position means it takes into account from where you're looking at. Look how Seal snaps the vertices on top of the grid. On the left side is the base Phong material shader. I couldn't quite get it to work, so that instancing works as well. For now, it's okay. It does also work with animated characters.